Documentation. Technical documentation. This is an overview of the structure of the system, how it was put together and how it works. Programming code or macros will be annotated to explain their purpose, and validation rules will be explained with their criteria and the error messages displayed. Flowcharts will be included to show how different parts of the system work. There will also be an installation guide in case the system needs to be reinstalled in the future. Backup routines will be detailed to show where files are stored, how the routines were configured, and how to restore from a backup. Security settings and software and hardware requirements will also be listed. User documentation. This is a user guide giving instructions to the user. This can be in an electronic or printed format. A contents page should be included, with the main part being instructions on how to use the system. Screenshots and photographs will also be included to aid the user's understanding. Glossaries and definitions can also be found to help the user. Troubleshooting steps and symptoms will also be included. Evaluation and maintenance. Evaluation. Once a system has been developed and installed, the process will be evaluated. Users will be given questionnaires to find out their opinion on the new system. However, the main point is figuring out if the systems meet user requirements and its efficiency. There will also be opportunity for users to make suggestions. Maintenance. There are 4 reasons why maintenance may be necessary. 1. Perfective. This is where the system is always looked to be improved. There may not be anything wrong with the system, but new technologies can be incorporated to keep the system up to date. 2. Adaptive systems need to adapt to changes, whether they are internal procedures or external changes. Adaptation is necessary to ensure the system continues to work effectively. 3. Preventative. Preventative maintenance is required to prevent problems arising within a system. Hardware should be regularly cleaned and data should be checked for consistency. 4. Corrective. When errors or bugs are found, they must be corrected to ensure the system continues to run smoothly.